Welcome to Newfoundland Roots. This is a little channel I just started to show my gardening in Newfoundland and what works, what don't, my growth and my gardening. I'm actually an amateur, so you'll be learning with me. 2019 was my first real container grow outdoors, and this is it here. You're seeing here now is tomatoes you're looking at, and there's peppers in the background on the table. Um, but what you can expect in my channel is mostly all container grows. I'll be growing potatoes and so on in containers and barrels and in Newfoundland. So you can expect to see what works, what doesn't, and learn as I grow. Okay, so hopefully you can stick around and we'll have a good time along the way. And I'll show a few different gardens around Corner Brook and Massey Drive, and few people's different gardens anyways, and hopefully we'll have a good time this summer. So I'll leave you with this video of the potato harvest, so you can see what I get out of the bucket and what I do with it at the end. Thanks for sticking around. If you're sticking around to this far anyway, sorry. Hit the like and subscribe if you can, and thanks a lot.
Potato, new potato they call it. Here's a seed potato. Another seed potato. is it?
And this is what I got out of the bucket, 5-gallon bucket. And I fried them up into fries, and they were awesome. Thanks everybody for watching, and please like and subscribe. Thanks. Bye.